980 days till the new hunk. Crypto fear and greed index is at 74%, which is greed, and Bitcoin is still trading below 50k. Yesterday we had a close on a daily below 50k, same as actually 2 weeks ago or 1.5 weeks ago. Yeah, so no success on a daily to have a close above 50k, but still we have we got plenty of time, and currently testing the 50k resistance, so that's pretty nice. Maybe today we're gonna have a 50k close on a daily. So yeah, MA ribbon is currently trading below on a 4-hour time frame and a daily time frame. Obviously 50 to 100 MA is looking bullish because it's currently below our trading candle, and you can see it's yeah, it's still kind of, it's less than, it's like 3.5k difference gap between 15 to 100 MA on the daily. So yeah, currently we got plenty of support, plenty of uptrend momentum, and obviously everything is looking positive. MACD is in a green phase. Obviously RSI is kind of lagging indicator, that's everybody's saying, but it's currently overbought on a 4-hour time frame, daily, and kind of weekly. Weekly time frame is still looking positive. It's used to look pretty negative because we were trading below the previous open and close of the previous candle, plus previous candle on a weekly is not looking great. It's looking like a dodge, and obviously close below previous open or below previous candle would be pretty bad, but currently we are trading above actually previous candle, at least a body of previous candle, so that's pretty nice. Obviously 50k close above 50k on a weekly even would be even better. I'm not talking on a daily, but yeah, on a daily would be also pretty nice. MACD is finishing the red phase on a daily, which is pretty nice. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for today. Also, I decided to add this curve that is based on a bottoms of each pullback that we had on each price up, run up in price that we had in this short-term bull run. Also, I was using the same, by the way, I was using the same curve on a previous bull run, or if you can call this bull run previous, or are we still in a bull run, or yeah, in this range of a bull run, let's just say like that. So based on the highs of each run up in price and correction. So yeah, but in this time in each bottoms of each pullbacks, and it kind of matches the highs actually of each run up. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. But again, that's not a certified indicator to watch, you know, or that is proved by the long term. But it's just interesting thing that I found. Actually, never saw somebody drawing this, but it's such an obvious curve. And again, this curve, you can draw this curve on a trading view. This curve has actually 3 touch points, so it's pretty basic curve actually to draw, but it's kind of worked in a previous bull run range that is the beginning of November and June of this year. So yeah, there's obviously currently hoping for a breakout of 50k on a 4-hour time frame, but daily time frame would be insanely better. So yeah, there's them. And obviously looking at this 50 to 100 MA golden cross, it's coming so closer. It's like what is that? It's like 3.5k difference right now, gap between 50 to 100 MA. So yeah, let's move on to the news today. we have some pretty interesting news, but not a lot of news though. So parking tickets can now be paid using crypto in Belgium. So we got positive news from Belgium. More positive news from different countries. The more diversified crypto will be in like a worldwidely type of. If you're gonna talk worldwidely. And also there's some news from Twitter. So Twitter beta testing Bitcoin Lightning tipping service. So here's the preview of this service that will be working with a Strike. You need to have Twitter will also use Strike to produce Bitcoin invoices. For now, Twitter users will need a Strike account to receive tips in Bitcoin. So you will need to create this Strike account. That is, by the way, owned by the Jack Dorsey, same as Twitter. So it kind of makes sense why those two things are attached to each other. So according to the blog, the new Lightning service will be Strike enabled and also support Square's forthcoming hardware wallet. The company also lists Blue Wallet and Wallet of Satoshi as an example of custodial wallets, and Breeze, Mon, Phoenix, and Zap as an example of non-custodial wallets. So yeah, that's we used. So here's a quote from in this instruction that that will be in the future. It's currently in a beta testing, but obviously when it will be in public. We use Strike to generate Bitcoin Lightning invoices, so you'll need to connect your account to accept Bitcoin tips. So yeah, that's pretty actually interesting and positive news, especially for the Bitcoin. Not just crypto, especially for the Bitcoin. And Lightning Network is doing a lot of great things for the Bitcoin and a lot of great use cases providing for the Bitcoin. So yeah, that's pretty nice. But based on the news, everything's great. Based on the TA, everything great. But close on a daily above 50k would be even greater. It would be even better. So yeah, guys, hoping for the moon, hoping for the breakout to the moon.